Food deserts are defined as places where people live that do not have easy access to quality food.
We're actually the largest port of entry for vegetables from Mexico into the United States, but most of the produce is warehoused here and shipped elsewhere. We've enjoyed the partnership because it connects our health center, us as healthcare providers, with other parts of our community that affect people's lives, like producing food, providing jobs, quality housing. For our patients, a lot of their management of the disease has to do with having a healthy diet, but we're beyond that really interested in prevention and making sure people have affordable, healthy food to eat. That's why we want to be part of Somos Leucemia. We have a high volume of patients that are overweight and have consequences such as diabetes, and the mortality rate for diabetes is much higher among Hispanics along the U.S.-Mexico border, and has a lot to do with access to care and diet. Our partnerships, like with Somos Leucemia, to work on getting more healthy foods locally, to have people grow foods and eat foods, is really something we want to be a part of.
So I love the idea of Mosaics, because it used to be that I thought saving the world was what I had to do, but now I know that I can take care of my own little mosaic piece. And the more of us that take care and nurture our own little mosaics, it grows the picture. It's not that we have to do it all, but we need to all contribute to the small pieces.
The Community Food Bank of Southern Arizona has a presence in 4 counties. And what that means is that we have a capacity for food distribution in a large part of Southern Arizona. One thing we can do because of this partnership with Somos Leucemia and rural networks is that we can really support the sustainability of a regional food shed that not only addresses emergency food needs, but also supports local economies and local food production.
We felt that economic development had a big place in food and healthy communities. And so there are opportunities to work with local small businesses and micro-entrepreneurs, and to be able to address some of the challenges of being a food desert and the fact that jobs aren't as readily available as some other places, by working with micro businesses to leverage the unique location of Nogales, Arizona as a crossroads to fresh Mexican produce coming into the United States. We have an opportunity to not only grow the local economy, but also to promote access to healthy foods to the rest of our community.
Deserts like the Southeast Arizona region or Southern Arizona are really an illusion, not truly deserts. Deserts are defined by things that seem empty and bare. And the possibility of growing food for this region is profound. It's not going to take a lot to do so, and there are examples everywhere. Solving the food issues, the food desert and lack of really wholesome fresh food, is not going to be solved on a global level. It's going to be solved on a local level by each of us working with our own little mosaic piece. We need to take charge of our own food system to bring it back home.